Authorities have issued a required weekly test for Oakland MI, beginning at 9:58 a.m. and ending at 10:13 a.m. This is required weekly test of the emergency alert system for Oakland County. This is only a test.
Boletín. El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología en San Juan ha emitido un aviso de inundaciones repentinas para Arroyo, Calley, Coamo, Guayama, Juana Díaz, Salinas, Santa Isabel y Villalba hasta la 1 de la tarde. A las 9:56 de la mañana, el radar Doppler detectó tronadas produciendo lluvias fuertes a través del área bajo aviso. La lluvia esperada es de 1 a 3 pulgadas en 3 horas. Inundaciones repentinas están ocurriendo, se espera que comiencen en breve. Bulletin. The National Weather Service in San Juan has issued a flash flood warning for Arroyo, Calley, Coamo, Guayama, Juana Díaz, Salinas, Santa Isabel, and Villalba until 1 p.m. At 9:56 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the wide area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 3 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Virginia beginning at 11:28 a.m. and ending at 12:28 p.m. A required weekly test has been issued for all Virginia. Tune to your local TV or radio station.
This is Franklin County Emergency Management conducting a required weekly test of the emergency alert system. If this were an actual emergency, this system would bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Oregon and Clark, WA, beginning at 2:04 p.m. and ending at 5:04 p.m. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test, no action is needed. This is only a test. The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for Anoka MN, beginning at 2:31 p.m. and ending at 2:46 p.m. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test, no action is needed. This is only a test.
Boletín. Aviso de inundaciones repentinas. El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología en San Juan ha extendido un aviso de inundaciones repentinas para Aguas Buenas, Bayamón, Carolina, Cataño, Sidra, Comerío, Guaynabo, Loíza, San Juan y Trujillo Alto. Hasta las 6:30 p.m. A las 2:30 p.m., el radar Doppler indicó tronadas produciendo lluvia fuerte a través del área bajo aviso. Entre 1 y 2 pulgadas de lluvia han caído. Lluvia adicional de entre 1 y 2 pulgadas son posibles en el área bajo aviso. Inundaciones repentinas están ocurriendo, se espera que comiencen pronto. Manténgase alejado, las orillas de los ríos y las alcantarillas pueden volverse inestables e inseguros. bulletin. Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in San Juan has extended the flash flood warning for Aguas Buenas, Bayamón, Carolina, Cataño, Sidra, Comerío, Guaynabo, Loíza, San Juan, and Trujillo Alto until 6:30 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.